gold. And in fact, the gold has been doing well so far, though it was a little bit choppy. During the New York session yesterday, but it appears things are moving on fine as expected here on the gold. So where were we during the live session yesterday? So during the live session yesterday, we were around the $1,917 level here, where I told you that I had a sell position running below the 1,920, and with a breakdown of the $1,916 level, a retest of that structure should be giving us an opportunity to add more position to our XTrend trade. And this is exactly what happened here. Price broke down the 1,916. We saw a couple of rejection of the $1,916 level to emphasize some level of seller's strength around the $1,916 level, giving us an opportunity to add more position to our XTrend trade. And this has gone in such a way that price has broken down that key structure again we have at the 1,920 to trigger another position here. So for those who have been part of this trading journey since the beginning of the week, kudos to you for being on standby to catch that move as you will currently be running. So the first position is running with about 1,300 pips. The second position is running with about 1,000 pips, and the third position here is running with about 400 pips at this point. So well done, guys. If you have been part of this trade, kudos to you. The next thing we want to be doing now is to move our stop loss, and I think the most appropriate area to move our stop loss is somewhere around the 1,914. So let's give some room between 1,914 and 1,916 is most appropriate here. Let's give some room for price action to breathe before a potential decline to the downside happens at this point. So we continue to hold on to our sell position here on the XAUUSD. So in that regard, where will our take profit target be? Well, for the take profit target on the XAUUSD, I'm hoping that price will come back into the $1,880 level here. Remember that at the beginning of last week's trading session, that level was the resistant level for the week, and we saw the breakout of that structure here on Thursday. We saw the breakout of the $1,880 level, which I said is the resistant level for last week's trading session. So since the breakout of the structure happened, well, from a technical standpoint, we should be expecting that price might likely come back to do a retest of that structure to incite another wave of bullish momentum, or at most case scenario, we should be having the 1,895 level here, which shares a confluence with this bullish trend line that has been guiding bullish momentum in the last couple of weeks here. So we might likely see a situation where price comes into the 1,895, after which buy pressure around this area will be giving us an opportunity to join a potential trend continuation to the upside. But if price breaks down the trend line, breaks down the 1,895, then we'll definitely be looking out for opportunities to add more position to our XTrend trade here. So for those who have been part of this XAUUSD journey, kindly move your stop loss. Like I said, let's continue to monitor price action, and let's see how far this move is going to go before the second wave of bullish momentum will happen. And if price breaks down structures, we continue to look out for opportunities to add more position to our XTrend trade. So these are my views here on the XAUUSD.